Tonight, a convicted killer fights for his freedom, claiming prosecutors had evidence that could have cleared him. And that man, now serving time in prison, says that evidence was never shared with his defense attorneys. News 5 investigator Scott Knoll has been digging into this case.
34 years after a jury convicted him of murder, Dwayne Brooks walked back into a courtroom here at the Justice Center today, this time asking a judge to grant him a new trial for the murder he says he didn't commit. Handcuffed and in jailhouse orange, Dwayne Brooks took his fight for freedom to Judge William McGinty's courtroom today. Now 56 years old, he spent nearly 2/3 of his life behind bars. Found guilty of an August 1987 shooting at Luke Easter Park on Cleveland's east side. Clinton Arnold died in the attack. 2 other men were wounded. For decades, Brooks has claimed he was in New York at the time of the shooting. And now, recently discovered police reports raise questions about the case that put Brooks in prison for 25 years to life. Reports that Brooks' original defense attorney Gordon Freeman testified he never saw until last year.
It was exculpatory and very useful to the defense. It was also information that we did not have.
Brooks' attorneys paint the contents of those reports as damning to the prosecution, including statements from a witness who put 2 other men in the van used during the shooting, and a revelation that one of the men who ID'd Brooks as the shooter was himself under FBI investigation. Information that likely would have been shared with the defense today as part of discovery. But the lead prosecutor on the case at the time describing discovery in 1988 as archaic, and says by not turning over the records, he was just following policy.
Defendants were not permitted to receive the written discovery, and that we were to go through the file and basically read the reports to the defense counsel.
But today that former prosecutor testified he couldn't remember specifics about sharing that information with Brooks' attorneys at all. The judge not expected to rule on whether or not Brooks will get a new trial until after the first of the year. In Cleveland, I'm News 5 investigator Scott Knoll.